I'm Rebecca. This is my last masterclass. So I have two major learnings. First is that initially when I came into the system, I was slightly overwhelmed and I took some time to warm up. There was this time where I had to settle down, kind of, go along with the wheel. And I did take some time, and I want to let all of you know that it's okay. This is a very kind community. You will be told now and again that you can make all the mistakes you want to, and you make the mistakes here so you don't go and do them outside. So participate, give your 100% to this, and you will surely see results in one way or the other. Second thing that is like a major takeaway, and it builds on something that I've not been able to be very good at, is structured communication, that Shatakshi says at the start of every masterclass. And she says 3 points. You focus on that so that you don't drift away, and you ensure that the communication is clear. So I think those are my two major learnings, other than the community and ensuring that you do the Trinity and your Schrodinger and the other resources that we have. But I would really take this opportunity to thank both Naman and Shatakshi and the entire community. It's extremely inspiring to be a part of this, and I'm glad.
I honestly didn't realize that today is going to be my last masterclass. Last 3 months, have been really productive in every sense. So 3 learnings I would like to share is: one, do not really limit yourself to the buddies that you are assigned to. Like, go, as Shatakshi mentioned, whosoever seems like the like-minded person or you would like to connect with, do go out of your way to really connect with them, get to know them. Fortunately, I've found some really incredible people who are like my accountability partners. And sometimes it's just for my own mental peace that I just get to share my work journeys and where I want to go in future with them. So that's an incredible opportunity for all of you. Second is, try to connect the dots, whatever you learn. There might be some master classes that might not sound really relevant to your industry, but it is incredible how I have found some learnings in my quality role from product class. And because of that, I recently got some new responsibilities from my manager as well to take up an initiative altogether. So it would be really interesting how you can just connect the dots and implement all those things that you're learning by doing in your current role as well. So those are, I think, the 2 key learnings. And the other mistake or learning that I would like to highlight is something that all the buddies have been highlighting so far is, do not, keep Trinity and Schrodinger for the last. It might get overwhelming. Fortunately, I've been able to cover it, but sometimes when I let it pile up, it was really overwhelming. It's not Netflix, so don't try to binge watch. Even if it's a short session, it would be really meaningful and really, something that you would like to spend a lot of time on. So yeah, these are the key sessions, key things that I would like to share with all of you.